Hey guys, it's Master Coin 24. I'm sorry for not getting a day much because it's almost Christmas. 4 days to go in Christmas. And I also got 0 subscribers. Please make me one out of those 1 of the subscribers. Okay. So we're gonna do right now is actually short. We're gonna do it. I forgot a night.
Really?
Today
Ow!
we're gonna do something, I don't know. After, if I got presents in Christmas and I've got special toys, I'll make review one of them. I promise. I'll make a review. So okay, Master Q in 24. 4 days to go. Christmas announced. I mean, no. 4 days to go before Christmas. So goodbye guys. Stay awesome. I'm at Kapam PewDiePie, but I love PewDiePie. Goodbye guys. Bonbon is sick. Bye bye.